Hey, welcome back. Van here. I want to show you about a new product that I've got, Simfort. Been using it for a couple months. It's a really simple product. This is my new one that I just got in the mail. So it comes with a foam shampoo, and it also comes with a hair treatment, which is kind of like a conditioner. I really like this. What I like about this foam, what I like about both of them is that it's all natural. But what I like about this is that it's a foam. I'm gonna get some warm water here. Let me show you what I got. And I know I'm balding right here, but I'm doing something to try to correct it, right? So you just take this, you put 2 ping pong sized balls in your hand, and this foaming shampoo, it scrubs your scalp. It smells minty. It's all natural. That's another thing I like about it. While your hair is still wet, you want to take this, you want to put you some in your hand. Normally I'd be doing this in the shower. Work it in there. And you're going to feel your scalp start tingling, and it's making your pores open, and it does everything that it needs to do to get your hair to start growing again. You get that angel fuzz, or whatever I call it, on your head. When my hair's fresh and clean and dry, I can feel new growth up in here. And hot water, I believe, is what destroyed my hair. But I can feel growth up in here. You can let it sit on there. Go ahead and rinse it out. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out. That's all there is to it. Oh man. Yeah. I know you can't tell it in the video, but I have grown so much hair back over the last year of using hair restoration products. And I believe that this Simfort has helped out a lot just in the last couple months of me using this. I'll leave a link in the video description down below where you can pick some up. I'd like to tell y'all thanks for stopping by, thanks for watching. If you found this video interested in any kind of way, give me a thumbs up. Leave questions in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them. Y'all, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. You have a good one now, and you come back.